Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to convert Excel to Google Sheet. Friends, due to some reason if you want to convert your MS Excel files to Google Sheet, then you first need to open your Excel file saved on your computer. Now close the file. Now in your web browser, open drive.google.com. Here you need to click on New. Now select Google Sheets. Now a blank Google Sheet will open. Now here you need to click on File. Now click on Import. Now here you will find many options. You can import your Excel file from My Drive or from Shared with Me or from Recent, or you can simply upload your Excel file from your computer. For that you need to click on Browse. Now select your Excel file. My file is on desktop in Excel folder. Here is the file. Select it and click on Open. Now click on Import Data. Now our Excel data is available on Google Sheet. Simply give a title to this sheet. Now after giving title, press enter. Now your Google Sheet is saved on your Google Drive. So friends, like this you can very easily convert Excel file to Google Sheets. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.